So how do you stop the iPhone light from dimming? Let's get started. So if you're new on the Foxtecc channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important in the future. Well, okay, so if the iPhone is like turning down the brightness or dimming on its own, it might be because of more things. Most likely it's the automatic brightness, which you can find in the settings, then by going to the accessibility section and then clicking on the display and a text size menu. At the bottom entirely, we have the automatic brightness. So you can see there is just one toggle, and when you have it turned on, it will adapt the brightness based on your environment. So if you, for example, go indoors, right, the environment will be darker than outside, for example, in the direct sunlight. So it will automatically dim the screen. So if you want to stop that from happening, turn off the auto brightness right here. There are other options or reasons why it might be happening, most likely caused by overheating due to extensive use of some like heavy applications. For example, if you are like sharing the Wi-Fi network through personal hotspot for an extended period of time, right? Or playing some intensive 3D games with like a lot of graphics, it might cause the iPhone to heat up a little bit more, and then as a result, the screen will also be lowered down in terms of the brightness, right? That's like a automatic feature, which you cannot really change. You can only ensure your iPhone is not too hot at a certain period. So that's like the only thing you can do about it. But I just wanted to explain it all in this video. Let me know what you think. Hit the thumbs up if you managed to fix it for you. But stay tuned for more tutorials as well by subscribing, and I'll see you later.